Nanim say edu kwasi ada say ya. E na me gidi say wo twen say Nayas pepper. Edu kwasi ada me ni baby akọ. Angel TV say me sisu ni. Ti me gidi say wo soso edu kwasi ada. Say wo TV ni da ho ni. Yankopon shira, wo shira boafo nyina. Enne a different level. Enne yensaka yenua emrantie mienu bi e wo hase ya. Womo ye delivery riders. Delivery motor riders. Womo so womo pese womo ni be share omo life experiences. Any delivery adwuma na womo ye no delivery services na womo ye no. Or how ni experience a womo kom womo ne customers e kom. Se yetimi tutum konfo se nyina. Eni ti eba eni ombidi nkomo ni ahwe eba sa abotre ben no munya adwuma ne sen na tie edin anaya na sen na ekọ no bigidi se adwuma bi edin nanso delivery riders de atem didie ne nso hwe omo fam no em se aginyame eno ti yenko omo hoye na ye ne omo enkotwetwe enkomo brabani mpacha pom te sei
Joso.
Mamu nyina so akọ aba. Wadaru mana e udin de sei.
Me de Nayas Berima.
Nayas Berima. O se e friend Nayas Berima. E ampa out so e Berima pa. Inu abema na so e.
Akumeni Richard.
Time omo kwa akona aka ho ana. Because so boots na show no kra na. Eh. Dem na ma asa wa when so nyam point.
Very.
Wo adwumam. Ushim.
Oh yeah.
And then nakwasie wo so ni ye be share experience no. Ano odin. Me mama kwa aba biem. Okay. Yen sha se ona na ya ohonom. Wadaruma. Wo ye den. Wo free himfa. Wo ko school.
Okay. I'm still a student.
Oh, okay.
University of the People, USA, studying bachelor's in business administration, and then University of Education.
So where himfa? We adwuma we.
Me a student.
We a student. Oh, okay. Where himfa?
University of the People, USA.
And no, where himfa?
USA.
USA.
We study online. Yes. Online.
Okay. One kasa so free him.
Me free smart include me abunoni.
We abunoni. Oh, okay. Okay. We anuanom say.
Yeah. Nsia.
Okay. Ma say, mema say.
Ma miensa. Mema miensa.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Well, me say. Papa.
Okay, omo go so tif.
Omo nyina omo te. Omo honden kama.
Okay, good.
Me say the CEO of S-Bahn Engineering Company Limited.
O say CEO e wa himfa?
S-Bahn Engineering Company.
S-Bahn ana S-Bahn.
S-Bahn Engineering.
And so omo ye den.
We are into CCTV, electric fencing, key card tracking and all that.
Oh, okay.
Any security IT systems we are.
Oh, and you mean how? And you mean how? Angel TV for Ankasa so ye ni how. Also ya the CCTV one ni bi won.
CCTV computer networking.
Oh, afa wow shop and as saying na oye no.
Yeah, office.
More office.
But you know, IT services, you know, we don't have to always be in the office.
Oh,
we have to come. It's an IT engineer.
Oh, okay.
So we are always on the field.
Oh, okay.
We do the practical works on the field. Ye wakaha, ye Kumasi, ye Sunyani, ye baby the here is a free.
Abraba na oba cry. Utu kwan ba cry.
Me bet na had there permanently. Me fan by 3 years ni.
So 3 years ni ya working businesses ahen na we bi e wa hase.
So far S-Bahn Engineering there me started way back 2020.
Oh, okay, 5 years now.
Na me was okay,
5 years ago. Okay.
Yes. Until now me back up juma.
Okay.
Na me call.
Okay.
As I came to establish now, and then I came with it.
Okay.
And me were the courier service. That is Bourbon Enterprise.
Okay.
It's Bourbon Enterprise near deliveries no.
Oh, okay.
And no dear, me fan is a year any.
Okay.
That is when I started it, and it's working marvelously.
Oh wow! It's your business takum.
Oh sure.
Oh, okay.
And yet takum sir, but
okay.
Kakra.
Okay.
Abrabono stage 1, stage 2. And to me guys I feel more class 1.
Okay.
Because baby I'm person me do no. Me knew where. And he say me calculate baby I'm person me do ni there. Then you feel na me work class 1. I feel na me starting. My dad wanting that.
Wow.
Me bank me dad wanting sometimes. Obi oni me bia him say no, this guy is a hustler. I've lived on the streets. And he say me who obi was street ni so and maybe amanya 20 Ghana be akọ high dine. Should I leave the person on the street? No. I was say me boa no sunya bibi.
E 2% kire say bra wa brainti enei osuso fan for ghettos na oboa wom.
The goal is to help the society. And not me.
Enti delivery services na koso anase say it ajibe bia no wo dia anase sen na person kire.
Oh, I have a let me say I have a portion in it because me so me bikes are me dey ama for amudi hi adwuma.
Oh.
And you know
o ma tro din ben na wo
yeah, try ho bibia.
Oh, okay.
Me boys are more I pick them from the society me baby I met me area I met from the ghettos.
And what register company no?
I'm not registered. Because any company me registered company Caribbean Enterprise.
Oh, okay.
But the goal is not for the semi nya biking industry and delivery industry. No. But to help the society. And society no me bike me the mawa 80 cedis a day.
And to moto no mawo.
Me the mawo. Now they are juma.
Now they are juma.
So about 10 going at least. You can say 10.
Oh, motorbike bear 10
currently.
Ah, would the amount boys no.
Yes.
A day sales here.
80 cedis a day.
80 cedis.
And it makes sense.
800 or 80
cedis. The goal is to help them.
In 200
cedis. No.
Sweetheart, in 200
cedis. The goal is to help the society.
It's a day no not as we make 800 and that's 1,000 Ghana.
Less than.
And I find it's 800, right?
Yeah,
oh.
The goal is to help the society. You understand?
Enti o passion nyina na say we need so ade hu nyina na say wabre enti wo so be ye we di aboa society no.
That is it.
Boys no.
The only be no at least en kakra. Sana brabo ni tie.
Wo ye den na wo hu say we ye ni papa. We nye ni papa. Enti wo be top bike man because na wo can you pick o found from ghettos and obia obeba obeka so hia mo bia. I mean was said here obetimi adwane. I mean so I mean what's up no be
obia society na manipa boni ni.
Okay.
Obia ni ho ewo na oyi nipa boni.
Okay.
Obi be wiawa ana obebo kro no a e bibi na man yes ade.
Oh.
No one was born a thief. No one was born an armed robber.
Okay.
And the more I've lived with them, I visit them. Wow. I know them. I run background checks on them.
Wow.
And before I give you my bike, I know your siblings. At least your mom, your brother. And you say, oh, the bike in the car, we will come for your brother. And he stands in as a surety to it.
Oh,
it's not as say, I just pick somebody and I message the bike. I need to run some background checks on you first.
Okay.
And it doesn't end there. You bring the bike every week for servicing. So gradually, you see, said those that were in the ghetto, there are people obi to get to home, man. Only the obedio, but also be required to juma. No aba no asoma na jekoto we breme. Jekoto aduan bra no no so nya biadi.
Wow.
That is what is happening.
And in a motorbike no air for sa no. And omo ye good to extend say wotimi frɛ order na wo frɛ to koko wa habrem to wache wa habrem se sia na aba. E ba yan so se bi wa 16 cedi, 20 cedi, 12 cedi any ade enti no.
You know.
Wow.
That is our problem. Imagine obi a oye deliveries. The family is dependent on him. About 3 or 4. Obi o yere won ba o. And in Marco school.
Na wan kasa o yere ne mba.
Mini yere, mini
ba. But wo mba.
Mini
but wo girls.
Mini girls.
Mini girl.
Mini girl.
Na wo twen. We have businesses we na wo twen.
Na wo twen.
Sir.
When it comes to money, oba master mo.
It will far oba how many months in?
Oh, enrakra me say.
Enrakra ofe.
Enrakra.
Okay, it will use ade no. And abo no raw.
Hey, it makes sense oh.
Okay. So be use.
Life who hear me oh.
Okay.
Na bra me brain.
Okay.
So obi be didi na menyeska na nyame fa say mo me register no.
Okay.
No, I'm using everything.
Everything. Okay. It is so unye ready so be for serious girlfriend. And I be worry. Now what have a family. Now you say it will trip say okondra. The one okondra. Ma ko fe bi.
The goal is not say me ready say.
Okay.
Me worry and I say me make it serious family. Say and then me show be know you're okay. I'm good to go with her.
Okay.
I had a serious relationship.
Okay.
But because of situation in Tio.
Okay.
The entire in my dream no.
Okay.
Because we need to go found your share. The goal is to look for money first.
Okay.
No ba. Okay. And to say we a young boy now was street in so no for bad. No ba mafia because of here and tia. Chairman and for dream call ba should be.
But me hu ni sesenia wani brisika anasa wani disika echi na asa wo pesika nyese wani brisika kra wo pesika asa business wo wani so there is no way for back rub more bana attention who entertain asa wo more bana ni wo mani feel cause they be focus wo adwuma so wo sika so kwan ya obefa so obenye sika there is no way ebia yeah
the fact is that obabia or no betina no e wo ni go e wo botanity or not.
Okay.
There is a saying say although me I don't believe in love. I believe in interest.
You don't believe in love?
No, I believe in interest.
As in how?
Yeah, obia won interest. Obia wo de ope wo bi hunti a before me hu oba bia me ka chen say oba me ni jo hu na pese me no tina no. E wo de me hu. It's not just love.
Wow.
I have an interest. Before the lady would accept my proposal, she has her interest.
Wo de yen for do asem no nsi ha. Na yen to so. Baby, and now we're dreaming.
And see, what I'm saying is that the goal is not to look for money as a whole, but the goal is to help the society. You don't need to be society. My bro, I've lived outside. I have videos of and pictures of me and my Juma throughout the night. Throughout the night, and I made that bench so abundant.
So, mommy, sisi ya. Not just a train, mommy kakrebi. I was saying for also what bread. You enjoy the videos. What bread.
It's not been easy. Coming to Accra, we live on the street. And he said, Nenya, me madam, na se my free street in this one. Me nibi. But me who will be a street in this one. I need to help the person. The goal is to help the society. And say now the venture now you remember delivery business, you know. The delivery companies are not helping.
Okay.
The fact is that the Nabusian for depending on him said you obedient, you know, or koba or nyabi because the company takes all his money. And then leaves him with nothing. Wow. Imagine say, wow, yeah, Juma throughout the day. Now we seek a 100 cities and not 200 cities. In fact, it's 200 cities. What you fool is from when you're 200 cities. 200 cities, no coincidence, 80 cities. Some companies take some people take more than 80 cities. A BG 120, a BG 100 cities. Send na car with him. Send na the question we bushing.
So say no car deliveries and answer Okada motor deliveries.
I'm talking about courier, the motorbike.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a mini scam and they talk cars.
Okay.
So this is the little I have, and the masses. You know, it's not that difficult to be a courier rider or to ride a motorbike. Wow. All you need is your phone and then a motorbike. Okay. You get a license. Already know. The only license crown, me license man.
The only license crown. We in a background check. Yeah. Na say esa one ni ye adwuma. We license man. Edit it no.
Me fanti no.
We check free.
Wow. The goal is to help the society, not me.
Edi adwene ba wutirim say yes sir. All because of what brother or back craft from what brother. And I said dear pa na she won cry say yes I did.
Abahima me nibi. Me nibi o. Dia me yen se me obi o.
Okay.
Me nibi. But eya na eya. Say obehu obi so tie abonten. Na de obedi kura oni. Na ebia the little I've acquired no meaning say metimi abo nipa na. Why don't I help the person?
Example so say what boss. My sweetheart, udini modu. Somebody ni bi me na hwefo. Ehwo.
Na Akumeni Richard.
Okumeni. Akumeni Richard.
Richard.
Richie, wadaroma. Ni en share experience kakre. Enfa na free. Richie free enfa. Mo say ebrebe na oba akra we ni so ade hudi eti na ma oba akra wadaroma.
Nyangasa de. Na omawo mi wo Kofoedua.
Okay. We dey ni.
Me Aibeni.
Oh, we are way. Oh, that's nice. O free enfa.
Me free Anglo. And I'm papa free Aplau.
Aplau, okay.
That's right.
Ade na ya flower na aplau.
Aflau.
Aplau, but ya kana flower. Hey, okotudu flower ya sem krom, you know, do you know? Okay. Mo ya dodo say.
Oh, right now the 7.
Mo ya 7 ma say mema say.
Oh, mema nko a.
Mema nko a.
Wow.
Ko ma no papa ti ase.
That's right.
Kuna penny.
That's right.
Kuna penny.
That's right.
Wow. Ebrebe na ba Accra.
Oh, maybe Accra around 2013.
2013.
That's right.
2013. 12 years ago.
Omuwe no, ebuafo ni wa. Na makoye ba peni de. school sem so no akɔgye nsɛm nti say me family ti dodom nti no na de me ba pie wa akra
okay
ba pie mu no me ni obi a wo nkra ha me ka so me kwa asimesi wa kwatena ne nkyɛn nti station for na ne nkyɛn na my mates nyema bebre mintum boso because emreni
atna ghettos ni ade ne so bi
ghetto ni die mintina hoda
okay
but street ni die
okay
matina ma for dan chi na de ade
okay
nti efre onom no mi ye adwuma bebre ti say farm work security washing base nyema bebre wo batumi dey survive
okay
nti delivery nso buy no and so na me say adwuma na me say kakra
okay
de abusuan so behia no omo fra kakra me wo no na dey support o nti delivery ne buy no na me ko me nua bi ho na me ko GBB wo ne ho eso me dey nso na me ko to me moto no nti me to moto na me register companies mo
enti delivery no we delivery guy
me delivery guy
enti ye wankasa wo de moto no
virtual
wow and what register
virtual
in your name
virtual
and no say and am here no
registration na
ai wo app bi wo amotimi ko register wo ho
virtual
wow
nti delivery no no kora nyame anim nyama wo mpa
okay
risk wo delivery
okay as in how
accident
oh okay
yeah and yes boys mo ride forking but e bia wo order so na delivery company woni ni yadwuma no say offer measure bi to kwam because app na orane and app nso hwe ba bia wo nti e bia wo motorway and highway you are riding e bia 80 km/h na company we ba bia wo kono order bi wo ho no de aka ho e wo kwam na emrane say order ba say quickly you attend to your phone and pick the order
wow
say atwam omo just less than 15 seconds
oh okay
for you to pick up
and do 20 seconds
and do 20 seconds
wow
until less than that 15 seconds you have to attend to your phone and pick the order while already 80 km/h you want to attend to your phone on a highway or a motorway kai wo wenim e bia wo fa phone na ka na bo break wo attention akọ phone so abo break na answer wo ni back wakohwim it claim lot of life a word delivery service nim
na all right we ye den na fa phone say we stop it over say na why wa pick it
yes
na say I mean
stopping no answer na over stop it attend to your phone sa order na betwema ko
na betwem so ebasa ebeko against one na say ebe charge one
yes say abetwema your be a friend priority point and activity point
okay
ombeti omote ebia sa de na koso a day obetumi ya order obetumi anya order more than 20 na ebia 3 the same similar issue happen
okay
along the way you bet me block you for 3 days and 7 days
eh
yes
say order ba baby a wo kon when your order dey call baby o undru ye onam kwan so ya send the order for frabro wo just 15 seconds per say we dey check now they accept it
that's right
say wanya yet me block you
yes
3 to 7 days
yes
na o drive it order ba obeye den se ka bi di wachi se ka bi di wanim se moto bi se baby a wo no kura se ehu
this adie na eye ade ba ko a high pa
etusu se no na ema accident
yes a lot of accident if you grab me ya brother ba ko so efoma within less than 3 months asem na making
okay
so accident ni si wo Kwashima
okay
traffic light ni the same on your accident no Tuesday Friday no from we
Jesus It's Sunday morning na edientia because not just a no rider no person betu usika.
Yes. O person omba block you. Enya tika scanning tinkwa. Say scanning tinkwa kra there. One say dining den na as a hustler there. Say ukọ na ukonye biba. So one kwa unya ndi. Enti o person ukọ no na sa similar situation happen o ma block you a kombedo.
Kombedo not just a man make complaints ye ya na say mo app we no.
Once one ka
say riders no e na maye meeting be na makwa fa ho de na maye e de afa ho because na say motos no accident na do so e serious
me say
serious me akasa me na ma me di mani ehu so many na me ye ma hyeme enye sesi akra wo kan ka me feel say delivery ya be delivery companies I thought say yeah aban ne dia wo for say government dia minim da say bia say wa wo sika wutimi toko register ana say bia mutimi tobe moto be 10 na bra pani ato be tan o de bo ankofui na so wato dia wa register minim da okay
nti enu na esia no ye boa ye prepare won say ye de be kwa kotu aban nim
okay
because omunyina mo ye foreigners and maybe or delivery says more than 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Until the man who experience amanya no. I want to say companies be more on, they don't have interest of the riders.
Oh.
Until the over to me can be free sober form. The omo de ye jumano and one omo can so tie. Until a horn so a higher.
Okay, that is all person say service providers no.
Yes.
Omo ye foreigners.
Yes.
It's omo ndwin mo drivers no ho anasa omo ndwin Ghana for ne ye ho anasa omo ndwin enipa ho.
Yeah, riders in there.
Omo ndwin mo.
Debi.
It is a basa say ebia obi na ma no konya accident anasa atorenche mi ko to nipa na nipa ne ko prade na omo ye fa ho.
E ho nso na ye asemba kwa ese me boss.
Wow.
Omaga so omo insurance policy bi. But up to now insurance policy bia ade a CC wo Ghana ha ebi mu ye yanda fofo ebi mu ye colleagues no ne omaga so mo dance dinner de ya ho se omo insurance policy bi ayadwuma.
Wow.
Na kire say bibi 2 year we are our own. There is nothing like ebi wa pra una kotwa na one company we yadwuma
obeboa wa obe support wa. Okay. Na say person o chere say delivery guys na say moto deliveries na wo Ghana no munye safe. Person bibisa say wan kasa u start ye no uko driving school say bia moto uko sua driving no ansa na obe license say ababeji u moto no.
Ade ba ko say ye ba riders musaida. Ma hu bibi say like there is no proper measure.
Okay.
Aye even say brana ba sua wan say car twe no nipa we bra bie schools.
Okay.
Omo kire
okay.
We are on more certificate no dey accord DVL answer omo tumi o dey license amount. But Uber riders no ya forma bibi any hosa
rapeni ye pese bisa say say na woka say no watimi ato be 10 na o dey support meka say o my Ghana uche that the wo fa training mu entity yem ansana o dey amawom anasa o mo ko school bi anasa sanity for all the no.
There is so far who say you were riding school.
Okay.
Ghana. Obetimi do obi akwa akosua mototwi.
Pacho so mame